me and Xperimental Girl. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we're basically isolated, okay? So we're kind of going stir crazy, and we decided to make videos in the kitchen and Xperimental Girl's cooking class starring GA, because of course, to put it in proper terminology, I am to the kitchen what the Hindenburg was to air travel. So I don't know beans about making anything, but this guy, Major Ric, okay, he was a big Uncle Dan's fan, and he used to get his dad to make him these pretzels and then send them overseas when he was deployed in Desert Storm. And then everybody else overseas said, hey, we want some too. So then this guy, his dad, had to start sending these giant bags of Major Ric's pretzels. So that is the recipe that I'm going to attempt to conquer today in Xperimental Girl's cooking class starring GA, brought to you by Uncle Dan's salad dressings and dips. Okay, what do I do?
Okay, here we go. You need to take that bag of pretzels.
This one? Okay.
Open it.
Open it. Got it.
See that big bowl in front of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to put it in that big bowl.
Okay.
Do you know what we traditionally use that big bowl for?
What do we use it for?
Come on now.
I have to, what?
It's your cereal bowl.
Oh. Hey.
Okay. I know. Then we get our oil.
Oil. Oh, yeah.
And what are we using?
Orville Redenbacher's buttery oil. It's for...
It's a popcorn oil.
So let's see. Oh, great. It's not even... Ah, man, I hate... See, this is why I don't do the kitchen.
Oh,
man.
stop.
Okay.
No, teeth are not tools. How many times do I have to tell you?
A half cup, right?
No.
No? 4 ounces? Yeah?
What does the measuring cup say?
It says 4 ounces, a half cup. So I'm filling this bad boy all the way
Okay.
to the top. Okay, so now I'm going to pour...
Not pour.
No?
You're going to drizzle.
Drizzle.
Do you know how to drizzle?
Oh, man. I can drizzle for shizzle, baby.
Okay.
All right.
Drizzle.
Okay, so...
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
a little
yeah.
lighter.
Little
So we get it
lighter, so
all
you can
over.
See my drizzle, baby.
Yeah, drizzle that.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay,
Now,
that's
before
done.
we start the next step, close your oil so we don't knock it over.
Oh, excuse me. Okay.
Okay.
Out of the way.
Take that bowl.
Take the bowl.
Okay, now you want to just kind of swirl it and kind of like you're going to flip those pretzels a little, toss them. There you go. Swirl, toss. Oh, you follow instructions so well. There you go. Okay, I think that's good.
Okay.
Set it down.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to add the main ingredient.
Yeah. What was that? Dillweed?
No.
Because when I heard that, my brothers used to call me dillweed when I was a kid. But, you know.
You sure it was dillweed?
Okay, never mind. Dillweed's out. How about garlic powder?
We're going to put a little garlic powder.
Okay. This?
But the main ingredient
okay.
is
Uncle
our
Dan's.
Uncle Dan's.
Yeah, baby, right here. Uncle Dan's.
Yes.
Yes. This is the original Southern Classic Ranch.
Yes.
Okay.
And we're using about half a pack.
Yes.
We're going to try it and see.
Now, do I drizzle this too?
No, you kind of want to lightly sprinkle that.
Lightly sprinkle.
Like fairy dust. You know how we do that. There we go.
Okay.
Now, we like garlic in our family, so we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder.
This isn't part of the real recipe, Major Ric. Excuse me,
It's
sir.
It's one of the,
Okay. Okay.
There we go.
Now what?
Now we're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to swirl and shake and get that all mixed up real good. We're going to keep you shaking here.
Oh.
We're going to say goodbye, but we're going to keep you shaking here.
Wait a minute, can I try one?
Absolutely.
Okay, hang on a second here, people. Come here. See? Everything done cleanly, by the way. Wash your hands. Oh, yeah, baby.